Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayleigh, in case you didn't know that. In case you hadn't noticed, I am not sitting on my bed over there. I'm in a bit of a different location. That is because in front of me I have a huge array of just makeup everywhere. I have my huge makeup kit out. It's more heavier than I thought. But yeah, so today, in case you haven't seen by the title, I'm going to be recreating James Charles's video. But I'm not going to be watching it, so I'm just going to be hearing what he's saying. So I've got my laptop here, Bing, and I've got his page up, or his video up. I'm going to be recreating the holiday sleigh makeup tutorial. I haven't seen this video. I do watch his video, so I wanted to go and find a tutorial that I hadn't watched, and I haven't watched this one, so I'm going to be recreating it. Yeah, I've seen what the makeup look is supposed to look like in the end, but I haven't watched the video, so I don't know how he's going to do it or what colors he's going to use or anything. So I'm very interested to see what's going to happen. So I'm going to start from the beginning, and then I'm going to face my laptop away from me, and I'm going to turn down the brightness as well, so you can't, you know, so I can't see it or whatever. But yeah, I'm quite interested to see how this is going to go. But yeah, first I need to like organize my space, because if only you could see what it looks like. Oh, it's a mess. But yeah, I'm just gonna start organizing my life here.
So I'm going to be using the brand new Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. I absolutely love this palette. It came with the holiday collection that I
Palette already?
If you guys have not yet seen my full-on review.
Okay, I don't know if he's starting with eyeshadow or what, but he said transition shade, so I'm just gonna, I mean, this is my nude palette. I'm just gonna put like a nude eyeshadow over my entire eyes, I guess. I don't know if he's doing, I can't remember how he does his makeup tutorials, but I guess we're doing eyeshadow first. So yeah, okay, so transition shade done, I guess. I'm just gonna.
Next color we're going to grab an R39 brush.
He's going too fast. I'm just gonna do exactly what he said. So like go up and in the crease, I guess. I don't even know if I'm doing the right shade. I really hope I am. I feel like I should have done eyebrows first, because like when I do my eyebrows, the eyebrows are just gonna, like the powder's gonna come onto my eyelid, but okay, whatever. Okay guys, I don't have a burnt orange. We have an issue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for, oh goodness, I don't know, maybe this shade. It's more of like a burgundy shade, but I don't have anything else, so I guess that's what I'm gonna have to use. Yo, this is a lot more difficult than I expected, because I don't know what he's doing. But from what the picture looked like, this is me kind of cheating, but from the picture what it looked like, I think I know what I'm supposed to do, but I don't know. We'll see. Darker.
But we are just going to want to make sure every color we go in with, we're using a smaller brush or just a more defined focus. So this is where things are going to start to get more complicated, more dark, more intense. I'm going to grab my M149 brush.
Guys, I've completely messed up this eye. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so that's the first eye. It looks horrible. Like, I know, it looks absolutely ridiculous. And this is the other one. I'm gonna try and fix this. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do it different to how he does it. It sounds like he's doing like an eyeshadow, like maybe like a cream eyeshadow base. I don't have cream eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna use some maybe a lot of foundation, just to like, because I don't have concealer either, so I'm just going to use my foundation and try and cut the crease. I've never done this before, so I know it's gonna become a shamble, but please forgive me. I'm gonna go ahead and try now. Alright, so it doesn't look that bad. I don't know how he's done it though, so I feel like it's gonna look really bad, but okay.
brush, and we're going to make kind of a loop back around to the lower lash line.
Okay, I don't exactly know at all what he's just said. So I'm just, I don't know. He said go around the lash line, so I'm just going around the lash line. I don't really know what the heck he said. But okay, he talks really fast. I know a lot of people comment that on his videos, but like now I'm actually really noticing it. So yeah, but you go, James Charles. You do you, boo. Okay. He said a shade on top. I don't know what shade he was talking about. I'm just gonna put like, I feel like there should be a little bit of a shimmer. I don't know, eh? I feel like we should, oh no, there's quite a bit of shimmer. I'm gonna put a matte. I know I'm supposed to be recreating his, but I feel like I'm gonna do a matte. Just because, ooh, just because I wanna. So I'm just going to take, actually, do I want that shade? Yeah, I'm gonna do, it's kind of like a nudie shade. I guess I'm powdering my foundation that I just put on right now, so yeah, hopefully that works. Okay, did my eyeliner. They're not even. They're definitely not even. Oh well. Okay, so I don't have lashes. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna curl my lashes with my eyelash curler and then put my mascara on. So yeah, let me do that. Oh no! I just got foundation on my shirt. How long has that been there? Lining the lashes, cool. We don't like this either.
I'm going to transfer the setting powder and I'm going to bake right underneath.
Bake.
Because I think it's getting a little bit too low there, and like I said, we want to keep this very, very defined, just like that. So I'm just going to grab any flat top brush and I'm going to dip into the ready brown shade and I'm going to run that along the lower lash line. Finally, I'm just going to grab a flat top brush.
Guys, I feel like he's done his foundation. I'm going to do my foundation. I'm not waiting for him to do his foundation. I don't know if he's done it before, and then this is the tutorial just for the eyes. So I'm going to do my foundation quickly, and then I'm going to bake after that, because I feel like you would bake only after you've done your foundation, if I'm right. I don't know. I don't really understand the whole baking thing, but I'm going to do my foundation now, because yeah, I don't know, eh? Wait, I don't know where he said bake. I think he said bake there. Guys, I have an issue. This brush was obviously not clean before, so now I have like a bit of contour where I'm just trying to bake. Oh no, I'm gonna have to put more foundation on top. Oops. Guys, remember to please clean your brushes all the time. I don't even know why I have... Oh, it's because I used it on someone else. Oh, that's so bad. Guys, don't ever do what I've just done. Like, I obviously used this on a person of color and then didn't wash it afterwards. So, yeah, guys, that's incredibly unhygienic. No matter what customer or what person you're doing makeup on, you always need to wash your brushes. It's just hygiene. Like, I'm glad I used it on myself and not like on another customer or another person from set, because yeah, that would be really unhygienic. But yeah, so I'm not going to use that brush. I'm going to use this brush. I hope it's clean. Yeah, it's clean. To bake with. Okay.
Same thing on a pencil brush in that inner corner. Alright guys, that is what I have.
Okay, now I'm going to do some highlighting. He didn't specify much about his highlighter, so I'm just going to go for the Catrice Cosmetics Glow Mineral Highlighter Powder, because I feel like that is really pretty, and that's the one I want to go for.
Liquid lipstick in the shade Sepia. I've not used this lip color in so long, but I felt like it would pair perfectly with this look.
Sepia, okay. Sepia. See, the thing is, I don't know what shade that is. I don't know what color to go for, but sepia is like an Instagram filter where everything goes brown, so I'm guessing it's a shade of brown. FBI alert. So I'm gonna go for this shade over here. You're gonna focus. Hello. this shade over here. Yeah, it's very much a brown, but it's also like got a bit of shimmer as well, so I feel like it will really suit the look. So yeah. Okay, I feel like that is a pretty nice shade. I feel like it does match the look, so hopefully you chose something similar to this, but we'll see.
I used it a few days ago for a dry look, and I literally fell back in love with it. It is like kind of a brownie mauve tone, but it definitely does have some purpley undertones, which match perfectly with the reds in the eye look today, and I just feel like it pairs perfectly for this fall look. And finally, for this fall, I'm just gonna get my face ink.
Is there supposed to be reds in this eye look? Because he just said something about reds, and I don't have any reds. Oh dear. Okay, so that's his look complete. I haven't seen it yet, I don't know what it looks like, but this is mine. Hey. Yeah, it's definitely, I mean, it's alright. It's alright, I'm happy with it. But, yeah, let's have a look and see what James Charles's looks like. Just, because I'm interested. Oh. So I chose the wrong lip shade first of all. Also, this is shimmer and his is matte. That's one thing I didn't listen to. Yeah. Then also with his eyeshadows, I've used more shimmer on like for the V and matte on the actual crease, whereas he's done it the opposite way around. So his are more matte on the outside and more shimmer on the inside, which is why ours is so different. Like these looks are completely different. I'm kind of disappointed because this looked like so pretty and I don't look like that. And I was right, he did actually do his face and his eyebrows before. I'm assuming because now they're done. But yeah, I feel like I've completely failed in copying his look. Like I haven't done his look, but I mean I did alright. Like I didn't do something stupid and made the look fail or whatever. But yeah, I'm happy. So yeah, now I'm gonna go and do my hair and make myself look a little bit more presentable because I am filming a video with my sister. This video should have already come out. It was last week's video, so if you haven't seen it, go check it out because then you will see what this look actually looks like with my hair did and everything. But yeah, other than that, I will see you guys next week with an all new video. Bye guys. I've literally been recording for an hour. It's taken me an hour to create this. An hour. Anyway, I'm gonna go and start editing now, okay?